Imagine a world where you can ask a computer anything, from writing a poem to solving a math problem, and it responds like a knowledgeable friend. That's the magic of ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's revolutionized how we interact with technology. But how did this groundbreaking tool come to life? Let's dive into its fascinating history and evolution. ChatGPT's story begins with OpenAI, a research lab founded in 2015 with the mission to develop artificial intelligence that benefits humanity. Early on, in 2016, OpenAI started exploring generative models, systems trained on massive amounts of data to create new content, like text or images. This laid the groundwork for what would become the GPT series. The first big milestone was GPT-1 in 2018. With about 117 million parameters, think of those as the building blocks of the model's brain. It could generate basic text that somewhat mimicked human writing. But it was just a proof of concept, limited in understanding complex contexts. Then came GPT-2 in 2019, ramping up to 1.5 billion parameters. This version produced more coherent and diverse text, handling tasks like summarization and translation better. OpenAI even hesitated to release it fully at first, worried about potential misuse, like spreading fake news. The real game changer was GPT-3 in 2020, boasting a whopping 175 billion parameters. Trained on vast internet data, it could write essays, answer questions, and even hold simple conversations. However, it still struggled with logical reasoning and sometimes made up facts. Building on that, OpenAI refined the technology with InstructGPT in early 2022, which used human feedback to make the model better at following instructions, reducing errors, and avoiding harmful outputs. This set the stage for ChatGPT's debut on November 30, 2022. Powered by GPT 3.5, a tuned version of GPT-3, it was released as a free preview, inviting the world to chat with an AI that felt remarkably human-like. From there, ChatGPT exploded in popularity, hitting 100 million users by February 2023, the fastest-growing app ever. This marked the start of its rapid evolution, with OpenAI rolling out major upgrades to make it smarter, more versatile, and integrated into daily life. One of the first big leaps was GPT-4 in March 2023, which brought improved reliability, creativity, and problem-solving. It could handle more complex tasks, like analyzing images alongside text, opening doors to multimodal AI. Around the same time, OpenAI launched the ChatGPT API for developers, leading to integrations in apps like Snapchat and Microsoft Bing. Plugins followed, letting users connect to tools for browsing the web or interpreting code, though these later evolved into custom GPTs. By mid-2023, features like custom instructions allowed personalized responses, and the mobile app made it accessible on the go. ChatGPT Enterprise arrived for businesses, offering secure, unlimited access. Growth dipped briefly that summer due to competition, but rebounded strongly. In 2024, things accelerated. The GPT Store launched in January, where users could discover and build custom versions tailored to specific needs, like tutoring or recipe generation. GPT-4 Turbo optimized for speed and cost, while GPT-4o in May introduced native handling of text, audio, and video in one seamless model. Think real-time voice chats or describing images aloud. OpenAI also unveiled the O1 model in September 2024, focusing on human-like reasoning for tough problems, like math or coding puzzles. SearchGPT prototyped AI-powered search, which integrated into ChatGPT as a full feature by early 2025, providing direct answers with sources. Entering 2025, the O series expanded with models like O3 and O4 Mini for efficient reasoning. GPT 4.5 and GPT 4.1 brought massive context windows, up to 1 million tokens, enabling analysis of entire books or long documents. Then, in August, GPT-5 arrived as an integrated powerhouse, combining advanced reasoning, multimodality, and autonomous agents that could handle proactive tasks, like iterating on feedback. By December 2025, GPT 5.2 refined this further with variants for quick tasks or deep thinking, amid partnerships like Disney's for AI video generation. User numbers soared to 800 million weekly active users, with over 1 million businesses relying on it. These advancements transformed real-world applications. In education, ChatGPT shifted from a cheating concern to a valuable tutor, helping students brainstorm or explain concepts. By 2025, most teachers saw it as a positive tool. Coders use it to debug or generate code, boosting productivity. Businesses leverage it for customer service chatbots, content creation, and data analysis. It's even aided accessibility, like describing visuals for the visually impaired or translating languages in real time. Overall, ChatGPT has democratized AI, making sophisticated tech available to anyone with an internet connection. It sparked a boom in conversational AI, but also raised important discussions on ethics, jobs, and misinformation. Looking ahead, ChatGPT points to a future where AI becomes an even more intuitive partner in our lives, perhaps edging closer to general intelligence that anticipates needs before we ask. The journey's just beginning, and it's exciting to think what comes next. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you're as amazed by this evolution as I am.